when a word come out from the depth of truth. Their tireless struggle stretches its arms towards perfection. But the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of red harbor, where the mind is led forward by reason.
Respected sir, today we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. So we request you to come and host the flag.
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा
What a tremendous flow of energy we can feel after seeing our tricolor, our Indian flag waving out there in air.
Now, I would like to introduce Mr. Rajesh Victor McWan, who is also a husband of Mrs. Reena McWan. He is a retired accountant officer and legal advisor from Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Doordarshan Kendra, Ahmedabad. Now he is Chief Executive of Veena's Food Studio at Ahmedabad and associated with his wife, Chef Veena McWan. He is also a government-approved Bihar drama artist and doing as a professional voice-over artist. He has given his voices on many Gujarati serials like Aa Mamanu Ghar Ketle, Ek Dalna Pankhi, etc. Most of the advertisement of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Karyakram Man Ki Baat is found in his voice. He is a radio storyteller and given the voice over to commercial advertisement of many branding companies and also small film of biography of renowned Saint Mariam Theresia declared as saint globally, which was translated by Mr. Rajesh Victor and telecast by Doordarshan Ahmedabad. At present, he is socially responsible as a Vice President of Gujarati Catholic Association Ahmedabad for the community in Ahmedabad, particularly in jurisdiction of CTM, Ramol and New Madinagar. Thank you, sir, for joining us today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy Independence Day. It's my privilege that I have been invited, and Chef Veena Madam has also been invited by St. Jewish School, Ramol, Ahmedabad. First of all, I would like to thank Father, our principal, Lawrence, our manager, Father Jignesh, teachers, management, staff, and my dears, all pupils, and parents, and those who are associated with this program. I really thankful to them. One thing I would like to say that this is our 78th Independence Day we are going to celebrate. Now the whole India is celebrating these festive. Why? Because all the persons who have sacrificed their life, mostly we people, there are so many persons who have sacrificed our life to give freedom to our country. As well as Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Ram Prasad Millis, and so many there are, but hardly we remember somebody else. But today we request you all that we should keep in mind that if they were not there, we should not be living here. Myself, the rest of the people should not be able to speak a single word in front of anybody else. Because that freedom was not given to us. 400 years British government has ruled over our country. And they have faced a lot of problems. But I salute that Viranganas, those mothers, those parents who have allowed their children to fight against them, to give the dedication, to make the propaganda, to make the agitations without any kind of antakvad. See, remember Gandhiji has done Ahimsa Karyakram. I do not say that we should do for that any violence, but we should proceed to the Ahimsa. I request our parents to train their children like that only. I am very much proud of all the schools because I have visited many our fathers, those who are Jesuits are running these schools, Xavier schools. I am one of the student of Xavier. I am a Xavierite. By proud I can say that I am a Xavierite. This father and their team are nurturing the brain of these small children. They put the real things in their mind so that tomorrow if anything comes towards them, in front of them, they can fight, they can tackle. So, especially, I thank Father Lawrence and the team and the school, and the most appropriate function doing are the teachers. Teachers are spending their time to brainwash the children, to nurture their mind, to keep the all benefits and all kinds of knowledge in their mind, because it's a very difficult task the teachers are doing. I especially congratulations to all teachers and staff, those who are taking care of these children and making their life so good. Parents are leaving their children over here for teaching their children, but the most initiative taking care of teachers are really appreciated. I heard and I have observed many there that to run a school is not an easy thing. If we people are doing job, are going to job and coming back and sitting at home and watching TV and enjoying our life, but see the life of the sacrificed persons, especially fathers. You know that in the night how this area looks like very danger like. Recently all these thefts have come. So it's a risk of life, though they are living their life for us. In the early morning, they get up and come to the church and give a good knowledge to us, that we can go on straight path of our real life. So the things and the duty they are doing are a real duty. So मैं ये भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि जिस तरह से हमारे देश के वीरों ने शहीदी ली है, उनका जीवन व्यतीत किया है हमारे लिए, इस तरह से फादर्स, टीचर्स वो भी सैक्रिफाइस करते हैं हमारे बच्चों के जीवन के लिए. बच्चों को मैं यही सीख देना चाहता हूँ, आप चाहे जो बनना चाहो बनो, अपने माँ बाप को, अपने टीचर्स को रिस्पेक्ट करो, बिकॉज वो आपको कभी कभी लगता होगा कि मुझे मारते हैं, डांटते हैं, वो करते हैं, लेकिन बच्चों वो आपकी भलाई के लिए ही करते हैं. आज नहीं तो कल हम अब इतने बड़े हो गए हैं, जब हम आपके जैसे थे छोटे तब हमें भी लगता था यार ये टीचर बहुत डस्टर से मारते हैं, अभी भी लाल लाल डस्टर से हमारा हाथ देखो कैसा कर दिया. लेकिन अभी हमको याद आता है कि नहीं, दैट वाज द डे वाज रियल फॉर अस. इसीलिए आप सभी टीचर्स का रिस्पेक्ट कीजिए, उनका आदर कीजिए और उनके लिए जितना चाहे वो कर सको। पेरेंट्स आपके लिए जो भी करते हैं उसका भी कोई मोल नहीं है। वो कड़ी मेहनत करके आपका जीवन संवारने की कोशिश करते हैं, आपके लिए मेहनत करते हैं ताकि आप अच्छी कोई पायदान पे जाके खड़े रहें। तो सभी से विनती करता हूँ कि अच्छी तरह से पढ़ें, अपना भविष्य बनाएं। फादर्स हैं, टीचर्स हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं, वो आपका जीवन अच्छी तरह से आगे आए और आप अच्छी तरह से पढ़े लिखे और बड़े हो जाए। हमारे देश के जिस तरह से हम शहीदों को याद करते हैं, इस तरह से आप ऐसा काम कीजिए कि देश आपको याद करे, आपका नाम हिस्ट्री में बने। जब भी आपकी और पीढ़ियां बढ़ेगी वो भी आपको याद करे। ऐसे मैं तमन्ना करता हूं कि आप ऐसा जीवन व्यतीत करें, ऐसा कुछ बन के दिखाएं कि सब लोग आपको याद करें, सलाम करें। आज सभी शहीदों को आज इसे हम इसीलिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं कि हमारे यहाँ पर आज के दिन दो प्रसंग है। जिस शहीदों ने उनका जीवन हमारे देश के लिए कुर्बान किया उसको हम सैल्यूट करने आए हैं। दूसरी हमारे पास एक और मौका है कि हमारा देश इसी दिन आज़ाद हुआ था, इसलिए हम जश्न मनाने के लिए भी यहाँ इकट्ठे हुए हैं। तो ये दोनों त्यौहार को हम जितनी भी खूब से इसको एंजॉय कर सके, उसको सेलिब्रेट कर सके, ऐसी हम कोशिश करेंगे। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।